C4 time here, Unique Specialty in Classics. And it's the King of the Hill, what it was nicknamed back in 1990, first year of the ZR1 Corvette. So 1990 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 Coupe. Of course, underneath the hood, the 5.7 liter dual overhead cam, 32 valve V8 paired up with that 6-speed manual transmission, the ZF 6-speed. Of course, all the modern equipment you're going to have, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. A couple things I want to show you on here. There is a cold air intake going through that front license plate bracket on a typical C4. I'm going to get into some engine things here in a bit too. But as far as the paint, you can see there's a couple little just small touch-up spots, but overall, paint does show well on this one. Did notice there was a little scuff down here in the passenger side fascia. So bright red saddle leather interior, riding on these ZR1 wheels. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, there is a copy of the window sticker in there, so you can see what options were added. A few options were added on top of the ZR1 package. Believe it or not, that ZR1 package, $27,056. Car was over $60,000 new. Check out the still pictures. See the underside, engine bay, interior, window sticker, and more I'm going to talk about here on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this vehicle. And you can see pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, that saddle leather interior, bucket seats, center console, there's that 6-speed manual transmission, of course the dual power seat, selective ride control, and also the power lumbar and power bolster on both seats. And as you can see, this car also has both tops, and that was on the window sticker also. It also comes with the owner's package, which the easiest way to explain that is take a look at the pictures. The box is in there, what it came with, key ring, some cool manuals, literature, that type of thing. Check that out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Soon with the rest of the still pictures. The other thing is, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There will be pictures with the top out of the back so you can see the carpeting and everything in that hatchback area. Some of the recent service work that was done to this by a prior owner, just want to let you know, it has had the spark plugs and wires replaced, intake manifold gasket was redone, replaced, ignition coil, AC was flushed and replaced, alternator, also new alternator on it, coolant, flush, and refill there too. So that's some of the recent service work. As far as underneath the hood, there's some paperwork with this car. There's actually kind of a 3-ring binder of receipts that's going to go with it. And in that paperwork, I do have some pictures of it. So you can see that the upper end on this car has been honed and polished. As far as the throttle body, it's a 65 millimeter with a cold air intake, like I said, coming through that front license plate area. 409 gears with a Dana 44 rear end. The previous owner says runs just as smooth as any of the stock ones. And also that upper end was powder coated a gloss black with some red highlighting on it. You're going to see that in a little bit when we open this hood up and start it up. Now, get a good look at this driver's side. Again, very similar to the passenger side. One slight, maybe just little scuff back here if it even hardly shows up. And let's open it up, check out this interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Look at the engine bay. So of course, power windows, power locks, mirrors, again, power seats, both sides. Gold protective on the sill plate. And then as far as seating, you can see the seating is, I would say, worn from what you'd expect, just natural wrinkling to the leather hides. Don't really see any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. So interior also shows nice. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Great sounding car. And we'll check the exact miles. See them, 34,896. There you go. Now we do have full engine power. The switch right here, normal and full engine power. So Dash looking good. As you can see, passenger seat also in fine shape, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. There's probably 120 pictures of this car online, so slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Quite healthy, no doubt about that. Good sounding deep rumble. All right, I want to pause this a second. I want to get this hood pop. We're going to check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. All right, hood pop. First of all, let's take a look at the underside of the hood. Extremely clean. There's that forced air, cold air intake, and of course, there's that upper end. You can see where it's been powder coated. That is not paint. It's powder coated, coated in gloss black, and then the Corvette red painted in, or hand painted in, where you got the Corvette 4-cam 32 valve. Alright, slip around the passenger side. FYI, headlights, fine working order. Had those up earlier. I can clip them up here when we wrap up this video too. Put the hood down and show you a second. There you go, you get an idea of the engine, how it sounds. Impressive machine, no doubt about that. Let me pause this 1 second. I want to show you those headlights work, just so you know, and then we'll wrap this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. At least give you a shot of that. You're 100% sure they do work. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. First year of production. What a car. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 30,000. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service